And still in Abuja, the Federal High Court has discharged and acquitted the former Chief of Air Staff, Mohammed Umar, of charges accusing him of financial diversion from the account of the Nigerian Air Force. The retired Air Marshal got a one count of money laundering charges involving 66 million naira allegedly taken from the account of the Nigerian Air Force during his time as the Chief of Air Force between 2010 and 2012. Judiciary correspondent Celestina Ira has the report.
The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission had in 2016 charged former Chief of Air Staff Air Marshal Mohammed Umar, retired, with a 7-count charge of money laundering while in office between 19 September 2010 and 10 October 2012. The prosecution alleged that the Air Marshal diverted over 4.8 billion naira and used the funds to acquire property in choice areas of Abuja and other places. After the prosecution closed its case with 12 witnesses, the defendants filed a no-case submission, urging the court to dismiss the entire 7 counts on the grounds that the evidence by the prosecution did not link him to the offences. Ruling on the propriety of the evidence led by the EFCC in February 2021, the judge dismissed 6 out of the 7 counts initially filed against Mr. Umar by the Anti-Graft Agency. Delivering judgment on the case, Justice Nnamdi held that there is nothing in the evidence of the prosecution proving Mr. Umar instructed the transfer of the said funds to the renovation of his private property in Abuja. Part of the findings made by Justice Nnamdi while delivering judgment is that it would be dangerous to speculate on wide assumption that the retired Air Marshal must be aware of every transactions from the NAF account. However, the judge ordered the former Chief of Air Staff to refund the sum of 57 million naira to the Nigerian Air Force within 7 working days.
If somebody is discharged and acquitted yet an order is met, well, that is subject of an appeal. When we read the judgment, we will see what we can do. The
said funds Mr. Umar is being asked to return was the actual amount used in refurbishing his private property at a Asukoro area in Abuja. Celestina area, TVC News, Abuja.